Welcome to Part 3 of Drinks Vocabulary. 21. Green tea. Meaning, tea made from unoxidized tea leaves. Example: My grandmother drinks green tea every morning. Synonyms: green leaf tea. Antonyms: black tea. 22. Black tea. Meaning, tea made from fully oxidized tea leaves. He likes black tea without sugar. Synonyms: English tea. Antonyms: green tea. 23. Herbal tea. Meaning, a drink made from herbs, flowers, or fruits instead of tea leaves. She drinks herbal tea before bed. Synonyms: herbal infusion. Antonyms: coffee. 24. Espresso. Meaning, a strong coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee. He ordered a double espresso. Synonyms: espresso coffee. Antonyms: decaf coffee. 25. Cappuccino. Meaning, a coffee drink made with espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. She enjoys a cappuccino every afternoon. Synonyms: coffee drink. Antonyms: tea. 26. Latte. Meaning, a coffee drink made with espresso and plenty of steamed milk. I usually order a latte. Synonyms: cafe latte. Antonyms: espresso. 27. Americano. Meaning, espresso mixed with hot water. My father drinks an Americano every morning. Synonyms: black coffee. Antonyms: latte. 28. Mocha. Meaning, a coffee drink made with espresso, chocolate, and milk. She ordered a hot mocha. Synonyms: mocha coffee. Antonyms: black coffee. 29. Milk tea. Meaning, a drink made by mixing tea with milk. Many students like milk tea. Synonyms: bubble tea. Antonyms: black tea. 30. Hot water. Meaning, water that has been heated. Please give me a cup of hot water. Synonyms: warm water. Antonyms: cold water. Subscribe for Part 4. Continue learning English with AVETRA EDU.